How to remove filter from TikTok video. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from App Guide, and in today's guide video I'm about to simply show you how you can actually remove filter from TikTok video. But before we get started with this video, if you are new to our channel, do make sure to leave a like and hit that subscribe button, and without any further ado, let us get started with today's tutorial. First things first, we simply want to make sure we have actually updated the TikTok app to the latest version. So head over to your device's respective app stores. In the search box, type in TikTok and then go ahead and simply update the app to the latest version. If there is an update button available, go ahead and simply update it. Tap on the update button until it shows open. So once you've actually updated TikTok, I'm going to open it. Now in order to remove a particular filter from a TikTok video, first of all, I'm going to try and show you how to actually add an effect and actually remove that particular effect or that particular filter. So tap on the plus button right over here, and then in order to use an effect or a filter, I'm going to simply tap on the effects button right over here and then choose a certain effect right over here. Let's say if I choose a certain effect right over here and then I actually hold to actually I recorded this video right over here and I want to actually remove the filter which I use on this video. What I can do is tap on this effects button again, and as I tap on effects button, you can actually replace this effect with any other effects which you actually use, or else what you can do is actually simply tap on this button right over here and then tap on come back, and then that video is actually going to remove from that. Tap on it as well, and then tap on the check button at the bottom right hand side of the screen in order to save the changes, and you would actually be able to remove that particular effect from the video. This was the way on how you can remove a filter from TikTok video. We hope this video was really helpful, and if it did help you, do make sure to leave a like and hit that subscribe button. If you've got any more questions, queries or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.